corner of your mouth, okay? This is what's called kissing the fletching, because it'll put this feather right in the corner of my mouth. Again, with flews, you'll just feel it against your cheek, okay? Different type of fletching. So when you draw back, you want to draw back to the corner of your mouth and just look at your target. Don't worry about aiming. This is what's called instinctive archery. There's no sights or anything. Once you get back to what you call your anchor point, just look at your target, and all you're going to do is open your hand. It is a very hard concept because you kind of want your hand to go with the string, and that's the hardest part. I still make this mistake. It happens, so don't worry about it. But what it looks like, I'm going to shoot the deer in the middle. Just open your hand. That's it. You know, you're going to want to do what's called plucking the string. This is very common where you're ready to release, and like, this one a little more power, and you pull back a little more right before you release. Changes everything. Changes the speed of the arrow, where the arrow is going to go, your aim point. So you just want to get right here and just open your hands. Okay? Does anybody have any questions? No.
You probably will once you start shooting. That's fine. We'll help.
That being said, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to the atlatl.
That's nice in the mouth,
right?
It's a piece of wood that you use to roll it.
For centuries, it thought that this predated the bow and arrow. They're not sure anymore. Simply because they're finding those arrows older than those atlatl. The way the atlatl works is the back of the dart has a little dimple in it. That fits the spike on the thrower. Just like that. Basically, pinch the dart like this, holding it against the spike, you'll be able to pick it right up. The hardest part about using an atlatl is not letting go of the thrower. Okay, you're going to use a follow-through motion. So you're throwing, but the thrower is pointing to your target. A lot of people stop here, and your dart doesn't go anywhere. Follow through. Now, you don't want to throw it as hard as you can. If you try to muscle this, you will lose control. It's all about finesse and form. Okay? That's how you throw an atlatl. It takes time. I don't even expect anybody to get a dart to go that far today. Okay? It takes between 3 and 5 years to become proficient enough with one of these in order to hunt. There's only 2 states in the U.S. that it's legal, and you have to take a test just like any other hunting test. Okay? Anybody have any questions about the atlatl? Yes.
When you're throwing, is it like a snap of the wrist, or is it follow through?
Yes, it is all those things. It's what's called a linear throw. You're not arcing your throw. It's a linear motion.
Oh, okay. Is it going
Exactly.
straight,
Like
or
a
is it going
punch
more up
with
on
a
an
flick.
arc?
It depends on how far your target is,
Okay.
you know, what your comfort level is.
So like the farther it is, typically like the more arc you want.
Right.
Okay.
Like, I can get these to go pretty far.
Oh wow.
And that's not even trying. Now, when I go to put effort into it,
Don't try to
I
run.
can get it to go further. The furthest recorded kill was in Wisconsin at 75 yards. That is a hard throw.
Basically, you just save your energy, don't hunt.
Yeah. Right. Could you do me a favor and grab those darts?
Yep. Whoever's going first.
Yeah. Whoever, I got 5 stations up, so we'll be rotating shooting. Whoever would like to start shooting over there is fine. Whoever would like to start with the atlatl, Jess will be showing you and supervising on what to do.
The adults, the old adults. The chaperone.
I would like. You go first. You sure? Thank you.
was not something I was trying
Notice
to
when
hide.
you hit the bow has a nice handle. There you go.
Oh, don't pick up the arrows. You'll listen to Tim. He'll let you know.
Okay. There will be a series of commands I give you in order to keep everything safe. One is, I will call clear down range. I'm making sure no one is down there. If I call clear down range and you're down there, that's when you say, hey, I'm down here, and I know the range is not clear. I will say, go ahead and pick up your bows, which you may do. Get out of the way here, because I don't want to get, no, that's what I'm getting at. I don't want to get shot. When I say, you may go ahead and pick up one arrow. So go ahead and pick up one arrow, but when I say pick it up, you don't load it into the bow yet. You may just go ahead and pick up an arrow. Yep, you may pick up an arrow. All right. You may go ahead and load your bow. For people who are having issues figuring out what to do, raise your hand and I will come over and help you. All right. You may go ahead and start shooting.
Abby, do you need some help? I think we have one student that needs some help down here.
I don't know how to raise your hand. Or yell.
Yeah, you can go ahead. All right.
This will be a one at a time thing also. So what you're gonna want to do?
Now I feel like I'm showing my
So a little trick, when you go to grab the dart, you hold the thrower, essentially full fist, pick up your pointer finger and your thumb, and when you go to grab the dart, if you grab it straight on, it will actually pop off. You need to have a little tension, so you want to lower your finger just a bit. And once you pick up, it will create tension, push it against the spike.
I don't know how to explain it. You're better off asking us about it.
We are all.
Oh, it's good.
See how it pops off? So drop your pointer. Right in throw. Yep. And when you go to grab the dart, point your fingers down a little. Yeah. That will create tension once you lift up. Yep, you're good. No. Over here and then flip.
And it's like right and throw.
Yep, you can take a step if you want. Flipped, but I got it.
It's stuck in the ground. I got somewhere.
Well, can we go again?
Or we'll try that.
Can I shoot again?
It'd say like 3 to 5 years.
It takes practice. The first time I ever threw an rattle, my dart did this. Oh. Yep, definitely don't want that. Just came right back.
Does it have to be like in there like really hard? Like just lightly in there?
It kind of just rests on top.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I can leave them? Okay. Yeah, we can roll over to you. That's gotcha. Just want to make sure. So if you just place it in the top.
I want to see if I can hit this.
It's not like a...
I can't even do it wrong when I'm trying to show my shooting.
Good shot.
You have to then, again, pointing your fingers down a bit.
Oh my god, that was so cool!
Now, those down. When I say those down, you notice the thing has a little hook.
That's what happened to me the first time.
And put your bows there and go ahead and collect your arrows.
Hesitation.
3 color-coded arrows. You collect 4 arrows. Right.
Kind of like a
you've ever gone fishing or like an overhand tennis shot, much better. When you stop, you went a little further. This one's right here. This one. No, because I hit here.
It takes time. There's many ways to approach archery. One of the things the Japanese do is that they practice and aim and pull. They'll put a pull bow for years before they're even given an arrow. Are you a lefty? No? I got a righty one right over here for you. Since you're the only lefty, you go ahead and hold on to that. Okay? Alright. Does anybody have any questions? Yeah, quick refresher. Correct.
Wait, do we record?
Okay. Now,
Oh yeah. No, you hold it with your left hand. Draw back with your
never
thumb.
pull that string and let go unless
No,
there's
no,
an
no, no, the
arrow.
opposite. Yeah.
It's called dry fire.
Yeah, like that.
That can cause the bow to blow up. What happens is all the energy that was going to go into that arrow went right back into the bow. It'll vibrate and explode. Not always, but more than likely. It'll most likely happen with this bow than it will these because this one's twice as powerful. So you don't want to really play around with that. All right. Everybody good to go? All right, you may go ahead and pick up a bow. Right. Your bow's upside down. You may go ahead and pick up and load one arrow. Yes, it goes underneath it.
Oh, my left side. The top side is all like in this little.
Unload. It's going to go right there, and then you're going to knock it into there. All right.
Sorry.
Before you start, if anybody has any questions while you're shooting, just take a step back and raise your hand so that I know. And you may go ahead and begin. Yep. Good job. All right. Well,
I don't know. I don't think I was aiming.
Probably not. You were focusing on your
That happens to me.
oh,
Damn, first shot crazy. Wait, what's your name? Oh shoot.
that's going to be the biggest thing to get over.
Just pull and let go. Just like all your hair, just like let go. Pull back more to your lip.
Good shot.
And just let go. Hey! Something like that. It's like a
I'm having a hard time figuring out how to. Wasn't good,
Oh, you hit? First shot.
You'll actually have an easier time if you have long fingers.
So flick your wrist going and I don't let go. Do not let go of the thrower.
Oh, yeah. As a.
Wait.
oh my gosh.
Don't step back too far. You're about to come into our adult range.
Another place we could go to. Called
No too much.
Camp in a Windowin in Tabernacle, New Jersey.
In your window?
Yes.
I'm like gonna do it again.
You gotta go.
Make me dinner.
I'll go fetch it. Okay.
There you go.
I don't know how I did it, to be honest.
Oh, you're You should feel a little tension.
Your arm out straight. Hold that. Open your hand.
That was really good. You actually have the motion down. Wait, this is so hard. What? You got the motion down. You just have to get that follow through. It's the power. How do I, like, oh no way. So, you're nervous. And I can see that you're nervous. And are you a lefty or are you a righty?
I'm right.
Why don't you try throwing with your right hand?
It's a lot of
Oh, you
psychological
can.
buildup.
Yeah,
A lot of
switch
people
hands.
when they start doing
Forgot
this,
when I
they're
used to do
afraid
this, I forget how like much your fingers kind of. That's why you really have to just let it go. You can't hold it.
Am I holding it?
3 fingers.
You're a little
Have your pinky
twisted.
in there.
You want it to
Your
be
pinky is
straight
your
on
grip.
the thrower and
If
the
your
dart.
pinky is in
So
there,
you
you'll
see
never be
how
able to
the
let go of
thrower
that
faces
string.
my direction? You want it to be stacked. Oh.
There you go.
Go. Much better. That was a good play.
You're fine. I'll hold that.
First I said I got it this time.
Yeah.